Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics here, and today we're going to be looking at deep cleaning Optoma units and the many reasons they can have overheating issues. So let's get started. So today we're going to have a quick video just kind of going over Optoma units, their simplicity in design and maintenance on these. These units actually require quite a bit of maintenance on them because they are so simply designed. If you're looking around here, you can basically see everything that there is in this projector. Here's your main board, here's your bulb compartment. This is like the light tunnel and the lens and everything right here. Color wheel, power supply and ballast are going to be down in here. So it's really simple. Everything's just right here. So because of that, whenever you're looking around, there's some things that you might not see that you might see on other projectors, like an air filter. A lot of these units do not have any air filters. They just kind of exhaust all of the heat out of this one vent right here. Because of this, these units can sometimes have temperature issues. This fan and this particular unit, it only has one fan. It's constantly blowing, it's constantly spinning, it's going to be pulling in whatever little dust is in your environment. It's going to happen. There's no avoiding it with these units. They don't have an air filter. So essentially what you need to do with these is they need cleaned out every so often. I have the top popped off of this to make it easier to see, and I've fully cleaned this out. I do recommend doing this if you're tech savvy, if you're capable of, taking the top off of these units. I definitely recommend doing that to do these cleanings, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can get inside here from just the bulb compartment. The cover sits right here on this little corner panel, and you can actually see the fan in there. This is the fan, and there's the little port right there that the lamp sits next to, and this is what cools the system essentially, because these lamps, they put out heat. It's what they do. So it's the projector's job to keep it cool. We recommend blowing out these fans regularly on these Optoma units. If you don't blow them out regularly, then you're gonna start popping bulbs. You're gonna start getting this discoloration here. You're gonna start seeing plastic breaking and things melting because of the amount of heat that these bulbs put out. You can just use like a can of compressed air, blow away from the lens so that way you're not getting anything in front of the lens, no dust or anything. You just blow it out. Pretty simple. Just give it a quick once over, and that's really all there is to it in order to, kind of maintain the dust on these. Sometimes, and you can kind of see it right here, there will be an intake fan right there, and that's on the better designed units because you want an intake fan and an exhaust fan. It looks like on this one, the intake fan and the exhaust fan are all one unit. Kind of weird, whatever. But yeah, there's actually a spot right here where on other units there would be an intake fan right there, and that is also something that you would want to clean out, and is very easy to angle away from the lens whenever you're blowing it out. So these are just our recommendations whenever it comes to these units. These units can be a bit of a pain to maintain because of how simple they are, but they are still very good projectors and worth the upkeep. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you liked it, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Later.